Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how to cash out Phantom Wallet. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application. Afterwards, once you are on the home page, you are going to see your current available balance in the top and your today's PNL as well. So here, in order to cash out of your Phantom Wallet, you need to first select that particular token that you want to send from Phantom Wallet to any other exchanges or wallet, or basically that you want to cash out. So let's say you want to cash out Ethereum, so you simply need to tap on Ethereum. Now over here you are going to see the send button, so you need to tap on the send button, and after that it will show you that you need to provide the name or the address. So you need to get the deposit address in this section. So in order to get the deposit address, you can use any other exchanges or the wallets in which you want to basically send your coins from your Phantom Wallet. So let's say you want to do it on Binance, so you simply need to launch your Binance mobile application. Then you need to tap on the deposit button in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that you need to tap on deposit crypto, and then in the search bar you simply need to search for Ethereum. Now once you have found Ethereum, you simply need to tap on it, and after that you need to select the ERC20 network. Then it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy this address from here, then come back to your Phantom Wallet and paste the address in this section. Then you need to tap on the next button in the bottom. Now on the next page you just have to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to transfer from your Phantom Wallet. If you want to cash out the whole money, then you simply need to tap on the max button, and it will automatically select all of the Ethereum tokens that you have in your Phantom Wallet account. After that you just have to tap on the send button in the bottom, and on the next page you just have to confirm your transaction. This way you will be able to cash out from Phantom Wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.